Hey guys, in this video let me share you how to make a EA account in easy steps. So firstly just go to your Google Chrome browser or any browser, type ea.com. Now you're heading to the EA website, Electronic Arts. Now here at the top you can see the profile icon, click on this. Now here two options, sign in, create account. You can click on sign in also. Even if you don't have the account also, click on sign in. Now you can easily log into your EA account. If you already having a Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, Xbox or a PlayStation account. So I am clicking on the Google option. Now you will get a new window. Here you have to just select your email ID. Now just go down, click on continue. Now just check mark this option, see and download your exact date of birth. Now click on continue. Now just you need to enter your country, click on next. Now just check mark the read and accept terms policy, click on create account. And that's it. Now your account has been created. Now here is the profile option, click on this. Now here click on account settings. Now you need to verify your account, just click on send code. Now enter the 6-digit code you received in your Gmail account. Now if you are using your own PC means check mark this remember this device and click on sign in. And that's it, you are entered into your account. Now here if you want any additional security means, so you can click on the security and privacy and you can enable the two-factor authentication here. You can enable that, and also you can select the trusted devices here. Then under the account information, if you want to change your name, date of birth, email address means you can do here, and you can also add your phone number. So well, that's it. In this way you can easily create your EA account easily and enjoy playing EA games.